Welcome to our lecture online. Our next example has three rational expressions. There's a subtraction, there's an addition, but the methodology is still the same. We need to find the lowest common denominator. Now notice that the one on the right here includes all the factors that are in the denominator on the other two, so this looks like it's the lowest common denominator. We just have to put in the missing factors for the other two, which means we're going to rewrite all that with a little bit more space to put in the missing factors. So this is 1 over x plus 1, and so we're going to put in the missing factors here, minus 1 over 2x, and make that a little bit longer. So we're going to put in the missing factors here, and then plus 5x plus 3 over 2x squared times x plus 1, and we're not going to need any missing factors there because we have them all. All right, so what are we missing over here? Well, we're missing a 2x squared, so let's add that, and let me find a red pen here. So we're missing the 2x squared. Of course, when we multiply the denominator by 2x squared, we must multiply the numerator by 2x squared as well. Now, what are we missing over here? We're missing one of the x's and then the x plus 1. So we multiply this times x plus 1. And we do, of course, the same to the numerator, x times x plus 1. You can see that if we cancel these out, we end up back where we started with. So nothing has changed. Now what we need to do is write all those over a common denominator. And we must then multiply the numerators and add common terms. So this can now be written as, the common denominator will be 2x squared times x plus 1. But over here, we end up with a 2x squared minus x times x plus 1 plus 5x plus 3. So now we've collected all the terms in the numerator, and we have the same common denominator. Now all we need to do is multiply everything out and collect common terms. So this is equal to 2x squared minus x plus 5x plus 3, all divided by 2x squared times x plus 1. Now we collect common terms. So this is equal to 2x squared minus x squared, which is x squared, minus x plus 5x, which is plus 4x, and plus 3. All divided by 2x squared times x plus 1. Now, can we factor the numerator? I think we can. So let's go ahead and do that. So this is equal to, we're going to have the product of two binomials. We need an x and an x. Everything is positive. To get a 3, we'll multiply 1 times 3. And when we add them, we get 4. So that's correct. And in the denominator, we get 2x squared times x plus 1. And finally, notice we have an x plus 1, x plus 1. This is multiplication, so we are able to simplify that. So we're left therefore with an x plus 3 in the numerator. In the denominator, we end up with a 2x squared. And that's the final simplified form of the sum and difference of those three rational expressions. And that's how it's done.